I don't know if you can believe it. I certainly can't believe it. It's 2022, and I'm gonna teach you how to market your business in 2022. It's one of the big questions I've been getting a lot is New Year's coming up. What's changing? What's different as I look to market my business in 2022? What do I need to know? Likely how you're feeling if you're watching this video on marketing your online business in 2022. If I were to describe you in 3 words, it would probably be something like overwhelmed, lost, and confused. If that describes you, this video is gonna be perfect. I'm gonna show you exactly what to do so you can market your online business in 2022 in a way that's easy, simple, and actually works. Let's do it. So the first thing that we need to do is drastically cut down what you're doing. So if we write step 1, less is more. You are doing way too many things to market your business. We're gonna get you focused on doing just 2 things: attracting more leads, creating eager buyers. So people who are eagerly buying your stuff. That's all you're gonna focus on. If you're serious about marketing your business in 2022, you wanna make a bunch of money, these are the 2 things you have to worry about. All right, so there's a bunch of different things that you can do to attract leads, and I'm gonna have you, step 2 is gonna be picking one. As you look at, okay, I'm gonna pick one from these columns, you're either going to do, okay, I'm gonna do ads, or organic content, or in-person or online networking, or joint venture collaborations, or doing like outbound contact. Step number 2 is to pick one. So let's just say, for example, you decide you're gonna do organic content. By the way, organic content is like creating content for your audience and not paying for it. You just kind of like put it out there and it attracts people. That's what I did to get to 7 figures. But you could pick any one of these. Same thing over here in the creating eager buyers. There's some things we're gonna focus on here as well. You're gonna pick either phone calls, selling via webinars, selling via a landing page, selling via DMs. So like in your inboxes of your Facebook or Instagram account. So you should have on your notes, it should look something like this, and I want you to pick. This is step 2. As you look to market your online business, you know you're only focusing on attracting leads and creating eager buyers, and then I would have you focus down even more. Let's just say, for example, you decide you're going to create leads via creating really good organic content, and you're going to have them buy from you via a landing page. Cool. Things just got really simple because now you know, okay, I need to learn how to master creating really good content so people want to, like, are attracted to me, and they need to learn how to make a really good landing page so they buy. All of a sudden, you can stop worrying about ads, you can stop worrying about in-person networking, stop worrying about joint ventures, stop worrying about outbound, stop worrying about getting good at sales calls, DMs, webinars, etc. You have 2 things to focus on, and life just got really simple for you. All right, now step number 3 is we need to break these down into more basic tasks. So organic content, we need to break that down into smaller steps. Things like picking a platform. I have a lot of videos on this, by the way, but picking a platform, which one platform am I going to be on? Type of content, schedule of content, how you're going to get them to raise their hand and say they want to work with you. By the way, I'm doing a workshop on all of this, so stay to the end of the video to learn how you can come to that for free, because I think this will really help you. Anyways, raise their hand to work with you. Same thing with landing page. How am I going to optimize for conversion? Am I going to be using some kind of software like Hotjar to see how people interact on the page and see where people are leaving the page? So software to improve conversion. Who am I having design it if you're having somebody design it? Then what we're going to do is we're going to literally schedule this all on our calendar. Some of these tasks are going to be weekly. Some of these tasks are going to be one time. For right now, I'm just going to show you the weekly stuff, because that's what matters long-term, right? As we long-term look to market your business in 2022, we have to look to the weekly. So let's just say, using again our example of organic content, let's say you picked Instagram, you're gonna do Reels, and you're gonna do Reels twice a week. So what I would do, and I would literally like print off a calendar for the month, and I would do it that way. I would literally say, okay, on my calendar, and I print off so I would Google like printablecalendars.com, and I would literally like print off a calendar of January to plan this all out. So I'd say, okay, on Tuesday and Thursday, I'm doing my Reels. And so my Tuesday, Thursday things are blue. For my Reels, they're blue. And that tells me on my calendar, okay, you got to do a Reel today. Let's say that I also am going to set a goal of getting 10 people per day to look at my landing page. And maybe I'm doing that by sending people a message on that, or they're watching my Reels. Let's just say they're watching my Reels. On, let's just say maybe Wednesday, I'm going to review my landing page stats and see how the page is converting. So the point of this is, if we go to step 4, it's to take what we broke down in step 1, which is attracting leads and converting eager buyers. Then we said, okay, we're going to pick one from each of these. So in our example, we said, okay, I'm going to attract leads via organic content, and I'm going to convert via a landing page. Then you take the organic content and you break that down further into specific one-time activities that need to be done and then regular activities that need to be done. Same thing with the way we create eager buyers. Some things are going to be one time. You only have to create a landing page once, but on a weekly basis, you should take a look at that landing page, see how it's converting, see if any changes need to be made. We're going to take that, we're going to add it to our calendar so we have self-accountability for what we say we're going to do. Which leads me to step number 5, which is to get an accountability buddy. Now that you know what your one-off tasks are as you market your business in 2022, and you know what your weekly tasks are as you market your business in 2022, you need an accountability buddy to make sure this actually happens. And I'm gonna do something really easy for you. In the comments, if you want an accountability buddy, just put, I want an accountability buddy in the comments of this video. We usually have a bunch of people commenting on the video, and it will be a really good way for you to find somebody who's watched this video, who understands the process of marketing their business in 2022, and will hold you accountable so you can hit your business goals. If you want to go a little further, because this is just a tip of a very big iceberg, I think you should come to my business workshop that I'm running, where I go into more details on this and I show you how to attract leads. I show you how to create those eager buyers. And we go in depth on those 2 things. I think you'll find it really valuable. It's totally free. If you want to come and join us, I think it'd be a good use of your time. People rave about it. I've done this workshop before and they really love it. So you can go to it by either clicking the link in the description, or you can just go to mariawendt.com/workshop. I'd love to see you there. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe so you can learn more about getting more clients, making more money online, and I'll see you in the next one.